the ace, and the 9. See this order? I'm going to take the 9 and put it on top like this. So you see the 9 is on top, the king is in the middle, the ace is on bottom. So if the 9 can't be on top because the king is really on top, but I snap my fingers, and how can whatever that card was be on top when the 9 is really on top? And I move the 9 to the bottom, and you see that the ace is on top, but how can the ace be on top? How can the ace be on top when really the 9 is on top? I'm going to snap my fingers, the ace is back on top.
Justin is really good at magic.
Are you done yet?
No. Okay, you see the king is on bottom. How can the king be on bottom when the king is on top? How can the king be on top when the ace is really on top? I'll do it one more time, folks. And you see the 9 is on bottom, but how can the 9 be on bottom when really the 9 is on top? How can the 9 be on top when really the ace is on top? So you see...